Dito natin mapapatunayan, mga Lods, kung gaano ka-praning, no? At gaano ka-exage itong si, di ba, Speaker Romualdez. Kung ano-ano na lang ang pinag-iisip, pinagagagawa, di ba? Para lang talaga manatili siya sa pwesto. Di ba? Ba't di na lang magtrabaho, gampanan yung kanyang tungkulin, dun siya mag-focus, di ba? Ang pinopokus niya ngayon, kung sino ang kakampi, kung sino ang hindi kakampi. Basahin natin ang statement, di ba, ni former President Arroyo, kasi bigla siyang tinanggal as Deputy Speaker. Bakit kaya? Basahin natin. Some people told me that I was stripped of the Deputy Speaker title because I did not sign House Resolution number 1414 that expresses support for the leadership of Speaker Martin Romualdez. Imagine mo, grabe, diktador yarn. Diba, hindi lang nakasign, diba, to express support. At tingnan nyo, may valid reason naman, no, si former President Arroyo. Sabi niya, I was abroad when the resolution was signed. Tama, diba? So I was unable to sign it kasi nga nasa abroad siya. In any case, that resolution does not contain anything new for me, because I have always supported his leadership as Speaker. To be explicit, I have consistently maintained the following. First, from the time that I learned that President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. preference for Speaker was and is then Congressman Martin Romualdez, I took the position that I will support him as Speaker. I had advised the President of this in writing. 'Di ba? In-express pa niya yung kanyang suporta, 'di ba? Kay President BBM. Second, I have never taken or supported any action to remove Speaker Romualdez from his position. In fact, I have publicly stated that I have given up any plans to aspire for the speakership again in this and any future Congress that I would have the honor to be a part of. There is always intrigue in politics, often pity. If some intriguers were able to convince Speaker Romualdez of the falsehood that I do not support his leadership in the House, then there is nothing I can do. Grabe no itong si Romualdez. Nakikinig sa sabi-sabi, nakikinig sa chismis, nakikinig sa mga marites. Ganun na lang ba siya katakot? No, ganun na lang ba siya talagang kaganid sa kanyang posisyon? Grabe no? But even as an ordinary congressman, I will never true to my word to President Marcos Jr. I will continue to support his preferred man for House Speaker, and that is Speaker Martin Romualdez. Having made myself clear, I think we should now move on to more pressing national concerns. Grabe no? Grabe si Speaker Romualdez. Gagawin niya talaga lahat. 'Di ba? Para ma-remain lang siya diyan sa posisyon na 'yan. Na kahit wala namang naninira sa kanya, wala namang umaatake sa kanya, wala namang any threat para tanggalin siya sa pwesto. 'Di ba? Talagang he make sure na walang makakatanggap or walang makakatanggal sa kanya sa posisyon. And grabe. Kaya pati makakaliwang grupo papakinggan niya. 'Di ba? Pati mga Diyos ko. Ito, 'di ba? Ito ang magpapatunay gaano ka-circus at ka-drama ang pinaggagawa ni Speaker Romualdez. Imagine mo, hindi lang nakasign, tatanggalin agad. Grabe. Iba din talaga, no? Totoong diktador talaga. Wrong move, Romualdez. Unti-unti ka nang binabalatan, no? Unti-unti nang nakikita ang totoong kulay at kung sino ka talaga. Sa'yo na ang House Speakership. Kung sa Bisaya pa, lumluma.